Hey, my name is Justin Hildebrand with Factory Direct Marine and RV. Today we're going to be looking at the 2022 CONQUEST 248BH. Let's get it. So inside the unit you're going to have his and hers lockers on either side of your queen size bed. So moving to my favorite part of any unit, the kitchen. You're going to have a 2-compartment sink, a 2-eye stove, a microwave, and a decent sized refrigerator and freezer. You're going to have a dinette that converts into a bed. Above that, you're also going to have some additional storage. Here's your double bunks. Need to brush your teeth while somebody else is taking a shower? No problem. We have a separate sink area right outside the bathroom. You also have your toilet on an elevated platform along with your tub and shower combo. So starting on the outside of the unit, you're going to have some pass-through storage along with some manual jacks, an electric awning, TV hookups including your coax connector and power adapters. You got dual axles and additional storage on the back. And of course inside you still have your AC and your furnace just like any other camper. So again, my name is Justin. Thank you for walking through the 2022 CONQUEST 248BH. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call at 888-750 or visit our website at factorydirectmarine.com.